Good afternoon from where I am to wherever you are. On this post, I'm going to be doing a very quick recap of the overall crypto markets and diving into Algorand, ALGOUSD. I'm going to be sharing with you my now bullish and bearish case scenarios as a follow-up to my post on Algorand some time ago, as well as sharing my price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and it will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way, but let me know what you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Now let's do a very quick recap on the overall crypto markets, because this is my third post today and not much has changed since my earlier posts. Bitcoin dominance still below 65%, down slightly from yesterday. Like I said, there was bearish divergence possible on the 6-hour, 12-hour, and daily time frame. If that pulls back, we could expect to see better trading opportunities for altcoins. Let's see if that comes true or not, and if I'm wrong or not. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin price action as well. Bitcoin price action has been pulling back since that 19K level. Bitcoin price action, when it pulls back, could drag a lot of the altcoins down with it. So aside from paying attention to altcoin chart, also I'm going to be paying attention to the Bitcoin chart. Now let's take a look at Algorand, ALGOUSD, and see what exactly is going on since the last time we had talked about it. Since the last time we talked about it, nothing much has really gone on, really. Price action had been running between this level of about 36 cents. Well, that was not even for a while ago, back in October, and the lowest it had went was about 22 cents. Okay, so but on this daily time frame, we do see that it has formed somewhat of an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish pattern if it plays out. So the neckline of this pattern would be approximately at around $36.50. That's basically when I take a trend line and see if I can connect the most wicks. Okay, as we can see here from the past trading history, a lot of resistance at this level. So this would be my approximate neckline for now. Okay, so the bullish, I do actually think it would take a little while to pull back, to actually break out of this pattern if it does, because look, we have one shoulder here, we have the head here. It's gonna take us a few more days to build the next shoulder, but that does not necessarily have to happen. Random pumps could happen, but chances of that is probably low. Okay, I would not depend on it. Also, I want to note the bullish case scenario, which will obviously be if price action breaks above this neckline, and the measured target, which would be about 50 cents, okay, which is basically by taking the distance from the neckline to the lowest wick here and adding it back on top of the neckline. That will give you the measured target. However, measured targets may or may not be reached. It is only theory in that sense. Also, something to note is that even if price action does break out of this neckline right here, there is some major resistance, such as on this Fibonacci retracement level, about 43 cents. That's the Fibonacci retracement level. I would not ignore that as major resistance. And of course, near the measured target, about 50 cents. Okay, these are going to be two major resistances I'll be looking out for, as the price action could have a pullback there. Okay, now that is the current situation. Let's take a look in the bullish case scenario, which will obviously be for price action to break out of this neckline and go towards its measured target. I always have a bearish case scenario because I know that I'm not always right and I have my share of mistakes. I do want to know when I am starting to look like I am wrong. And in this case, the bearish case scenario would be for the price action to invalidate this inverse head and shoulders pattern. And which level would I be looking for in that sense? In that sense, I can see that at this left shoulder level, it's kind of parallel with this daily 21 simple moving average, which is also upward sloping, but something I'm paying attention to. If this inverse head and shoulders is to play out and for the price action to actually complete the right shoulder, I would like to see that the right shoulder is actually at or above the shoulder level of the previous shoulder. Also, don't want to be breaking the daily 21 simple moving average either. Okay, that seems to be right at the level of the previous shoulder. Okay, something I'm keeping an eye out on. So the level of support I'm looking at would be about $26 and 26.35 cents. Okay, that is the support of the last shoulder. If the price action breaks that support, I would be a little more cautious because that does not seem like the inverse head and shoulders pattern is going to look like what it should. Okay, so this concludes my very short analysis of Algorand ALGOUSD today. I hope you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know your feedback, agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.